Hello, people. This is your guy Carlos again. Just bringing another quick video. Today, we're just going to talk about the Unifi software controller, specifically how to make backups within the software. Don't need to spend a lot of time talking about the importance of backups. You guys already know what the importance is. Nothing worse than establish or experiencing a hardware failure, hard drive failure, system failure, laptop failure, and then you realize all your configuration was never backed up, so you have no place to restore. So just want to walk through the backup process in the Unifi controller just to kind of give you guys a look at what that experience is. All right, so I'm already logged into the Unifi, my software controller here, as you guys can see. So I'm going to click on settings on the left side there. In the settings window, obviously you have all your menu options there on the left. What we're going to select is the maintenance option right there. In the maintenance window, we're just going to select download backup. All right, we're going to download that backup, and what it's going to do is going to put a file, a config file right there in your downloads folder. For me, it's my downloads folder by default. And so once you do that, now you have your backup that you're going to use in the future in your protection for any restores you have to do. I've also used this backup to do a migration to another controller. I've also used it also to do a migration to a Dream Machine because I didn't want to recreate all this configuration, right? So it made it like for a really good upgrade option as well. So guys, there you go. Quick way to do a backup. Obviously, auto backups for some people are already configured, but also do a manual backup from time to time just for that extra layer of protection, okay? All right, guys, talk to you later.